how to fix Valorant client client error. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just you need to find your Riot Games folder, and here's it, Valorant. If you can't find it, just right click on Valorant, open file location, click here to go back, and click Valorant, and that's it. Now just click live, shooter game. Wait, before that, right click on Valorant here, go to properties, go to compatibility, and enable those two options, apply and OK. And after that, go to shooter game, binaries 164, and then right click on Valorant and properties. Now make sure go to compatibility and make sure to enable those two options here, and OK. And that's it. Now just restart your PC, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.